The category of gaming smartphones have suddenly started picking up, and Nubia's Red Magic was one of the first smartphones to foray into such a nascent category. The smartphone comes with powerful specifications and some cool features as well, which will definitely attract the gaming enthusiasts. It's also worth noting that the Red Magic might come to India in this month of September itself. So in this video, let's take a quick tour of what the smartphone brings to the table. So very first thing that you will notice is this cool LED strip at the back of the smartphone. It's an RGB strip, so you can see multiple colors, and there are multiple settings as well to configure the LED strip. Let me just show that to you. So the multicolor strip, as you can see, can come into action when there is an incoming call, whenever you are charging, or obviously whenever there are any notifications. So it's definitely the coolest feature of the Red Magic from the outside. Design wise also, even though it's a gaming smartphone and it's quite powerful and it comes with a very beefy battery, it doesn't seem to be a heavy smartphone. It can easily be held in single hand. I don't have any issues in reaching to any corners as well, and I also like the overall build quality. It's metal, and because the brand has designed it cleverly, it seems to be kind of an hexagon pattern, as you can see with the camera, the fingerprint scanner, and same design language is followed in terms of the ergonomics as well. So it makes for a very good grip when held in hand. That said, the metal obviously is slippery and the smartphone could slip if it's held not properly. Talking about the specifications, you get a 6-inch panel up front with a full HD plus resolution. It's really good, although it seems to be quite reflective. As you can see, it's reflective even though brightness levels aren't that high. But in terms of high brightness level, I really like the colors in that sense. Otherwise, it seems to follow the usual design conventions. You get 3.5mm interface up top, USB Type-C socket for charging or data transfers. Towards the right, you get power button as well as volume rocker. And then there is another button which is for game mode. As you can see, it starts this functionality, so that's good. Let me just show it to you again. Game boost is on, so obviously whenever you are gaming, when such a mode is on, the gaming experience would be much more optimized. The fingerprint scanner seems to be slightly smaller, but once you get habituated to this, it should not feel any issue, and I can easily reach to it with my fingers, so that's definitely good. Talking about the camera, you get a 24 megapixel f1.7 shooter at the back. It's a single camera, but it seems to be quite capable in terms of resolution. Up front, you get an 8 megapixel snapper for selfies. Let me just show you the camera interface. It focuses very quickly. That's definitely good. Under the hood, the Nubia Red Magic comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 chipset, which is coupled with 6GB of RAM, and it's stock Android, so you can see it's very smooth. There is no lag issues at all. Switching between apps doesn't take any time either, and it's Android 8.1.0 right now, but we hope that it will be getting Android 9.0 Pie updates sooner than later. Let me just show you the game boost option. So game boost can block app notifications. You don't press any navigation buttons while playing accidentally, and sadly there is no game on the smartphone right now to give you a experience of how good the device is. But as of now, it seems to be a quite interesting offering, and we hope that it's priced well. In China, the base version of the smartphone comes with 64GB of storage and 6GB of RAM, while the high-end version comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage, and the base model will set you back by 2499 RMB, which roughly translates to Rs 25,000. If launched around this price, then the Nubia Red Magic could present itself as a great option in the upper mid-range, where the likes of Poco F1 and Acer's Zenfone 5G are fighting right now. So stay tuned for more details on the Red Magic as and when it arrives to the Indian market. This is Nitan signing off. Thanks for watching.